So I've been working on the math cops for about 7 years now in the Minnesota Valley area. I work with, specifically work trying to capture individuals or detain them, bring them in for information. And right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to search down, we got a big case working right now with prime numbers. And a prime number is a number that has factors of just one in itself. So for example, number 11 is prime. It can only be multiplied 1 times 11. That's the only way you can get 11 using whole numbers. But we also have composite numbers like 9. We got 1 times 9, but also 3 times 3. So we have a little bit of difference there with the composite and prime. Right now, what we're doing is we're heading over to number 1's house. Number 1 happens to be a factor of all the numbers out there. It's not prime or composite. It's kind of its own special thing. Everybody knows number 1. Everyone wants to be number 1. He's not really on the side of composite or prime. So we think he's going to be able to give us some information about the whereabouts of a specific prime we're looking for, which is the number 7. We believe he was involved with an incident with a couple of composite numbers. We're just trying to gather that information and make sure it's all correct. Okay, we're pulling up here now to number 1's house. Hopefully we'll be able to gather some information from him. I ask you to stay outside though, just in case something bad happens. We don't know what this individual will be like. It should be fine, but just in case. Hello? You coming in? He's running. We gotta go. I should close the door though. We gotta go. Let's go. Get away from me, I don't know about that.
Can we get the last known location on the assailant, please?
Yeah, we got him on eastbound now, heading out. Heading your guys' way there now. So we were able to spear him off there. We just got the radio call in that another officer was able to take him in. Which is nice, and they'll question him here then. So we're gonna get the information out of him, and then hopefully that will lead us to number 7. And then I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of detective work and find out the information we need to know from this prime number.
Hello, number 7. We have a few questions we'd like to ask you. First, are you a prime number?
Yes, I am. I only have factors of myself and 1.
And what is a composite number?
A composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors.
Could you give me an example of a composite number?
Absolutely. 16 is a composite number. It has factors of 1, 16, 2, 8, and 4. 2 times 8 is 16.
Excellent. What do you know about the number 14?
Nothing.
Really? Because I have here a statement from number 2. I'm going to go ahead and read that now. It says, "Yeah, fam, I know that prime number. Used to be part of the squad. We was lit, fam. Me, 7, and 14. We was bays. After all, 2 times 7 equals 14. Care to comment on that statement?
You're going to trust that prime number? He hates everybody because he's not number 1.
Look, the facts are there. You know 14. So tell me, were you there the night of the pie theft?
Pie?
Yes, pie.
3.1415.
No, the blueberry pie.
The Blueberry 3.1415.
Enough. Where were you the afternoon of May 23rd?
Well, I was at home.
A pie is missing, and we believe number 14 used it to commit assault to another composite number. Why are you covering up a composite number?
Because I'm in love. Okay? I love the number 14. And I would give anything to protect them.
That's enough for me to bring 14 in. Tell me, where is 14 before things get out of hand?
You can find him on the number line between 13 and 15.
Looks like this composite number is about to be found.
Math Cops was filmed on location at the Minnesota Valley Department. All numbers are innocent until proven guilty.